This is how you can achieve a warm afternoon look for your videos using Capcut, and it's free. So this is our original clip. First, make sure nothing is selected. Scroll through and look for filters. Then go to movies. Then select green orange and adjust the level to 100. As you can see, the greens became orange and the sky became aqua. Don't worry because we'll still make some adjustments to bring back some natural colors. So tap on the check mark, then tap outside, select adjust, then tap on contrast and set to -10. Next, select brilliance and set to +10. Now we go to HSL where we will adjust the colors. First, tap on orange, then set U to +20 and lightness to +20. Now let's go to yellow, set U to +20 and lightness to +20. Now we go to blue, set U to +20, saturation to -30, and lightness to +10. So this is where we started, and this is with the filter and the adjustments. Cool, so now let's tap on the down arrow, go to shadows and set to +10, go to U and set to -5. This should reduce some of the red magenta tint on your image. Then select fade and set to +15. Then tap on the check mark. And with the final step, let's add a cinematic bloom to our clip. To do that, tap on the back arrow, tap again. Now go to effects, select video effects, go to lens, scroll down and select soft. Then tap on adjust, set the value to 40, then tap on the check mark. Lastly, extend the effects track to match the duration of your clips. Export, and here's a before and after look and some other color graded footages.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look.
I posted this as a Capcut template, so if you want to save time and just test this on your footage, then the link to this color grading template is in the comment section below. So try it now and follow for more.